I'm Wes Smuts and this is 11 Burnett Street in Berserker. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home has tons of character, sits in a central location and really has a lot to offer. Come and have a look. My favorite part of this updated hard-wearing interior must be the light-filled modern kitchen with its easy access to the backyard entertainment areas. If you are looking for a low-maintenance home with a beautiful, peaceful backyard to spend lazy afternoons or a great investment in a central location, get in touch with myself or anyone at my team.